Alright, hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, City of Electrons. So this video we are going to complete what was done in the previous video. We've already done early start time and latest start time. What we want to do in this video is finish time. Okay, finish time. And for this finish time, we'll have for earliest, and we'll have for what? Latest. Okay, so for the earliest finish time, we have them on top, on top, on top, on top, on top, on top. For the latest finish time, we have them under. Okay, so this is how we put them. So for early finish time, here, latest finish time, early finish time, latest finish time. When we say early finish time and latest finish time, we mean for the, remember, for this one inside, they are what? Early start and late start. That is how, okay, I've explained that before. Then for this one is what? Early finish. Then what? Latest finish. That is, if you will finish before you get to this point, that is, you complete, you have done everything before you get to this point, how long will it take? What is the earliest time it will take to finish? Then here, what is the latest time it will take to finish? Okay, so that's the idea of finish time, earliest and latest. So earliest finish time, this box here, latest finish time. Let me put it. It's okay there. You can see it. That's okay if you can. Then for this one, early finish time, latest finish time. Then early finish time, latest finish time, early finish time, latest finish time. All right, so for this one now, we'll just go with the, because we are told that we can get our we can get the early finish time and early start time from the network. So just looking at the network like this, you can get your early finish time and early start time. And you can get your early finish time and your latest finish time. Okay, so let's go. So of course, before getting to this point, 0, there is no activity before this node. So here will be 0, of course. Now, how about this point now? To get this point, you consider the earliest finish time of the previous node plus the duration of this activity to give you the early finish time of the next node. Meaning this plus this will give you what? This. Are we together? Using that same logic, just look at this thing. I think I should use different color for it so that it will help us. Let me use a different color for it. 0. So here will be 7. Okay, because we said this plus this. That's what give us this. So we are considering the early finish time and the activity. So in this case now, what do we consider? In this case now, going up now, we'll consider this plus what? The activity, the duration of this activity. The early finish time of the last node plus, let me see, the previous node plus this activity. So we'll give here as what? 14. I'm going to write it at the corner because we also have another arrow leading this way. So of course, going forward, we take the maximum. So this gives us 14 here. Now, how about this other arrow? But before this arrow, you have to what? Get the finish time, early finish time that will be here. And to do that, you say what? This plus what? This. Just like what we've been doing. This, the early finish time of the previous node plus the activity to give you the next node. So this plus this will give you what? 10. So here will be 10. We'll have this as 10. Now we can say for this particular node, we have done this plus this to give us 14. but I put the 14 outside because we have to consider this other side. So now, coming from this side, you do what? This early finish time plus what you have here, that will give you 10. So meaning we have 14 and what? 10. So of course, since we are going forward, we take the what? Maximum. Meaning 14 is what we have here. 14. Okay? Now let's move ahead. So this early finish time plus this activity give us 19, right? Keep it aside. I keep it aside. I place it aside because we also have another activity coming in. So this plus this is what? 25. So of course we take the maximum. So we have what? 25 here. We have 25 here. Okay? And then finally, this plus this, that gives us what? 27. Now, if you have 27, 27, 27, as in you have the same number, it means your calculation, your steps to this point is what? Correct. Your steps are right. Now, since we've done the early finish time, now it's time to do the what? Late or latest finish time. That is for us to finish this project. How long? What is the longest time it will take? That's the latest. So this first one is for earliest time it will take to finish the project. Then this one is for latest time it will take to what? Finish the project. Okay? So of course it is the same 27. Okay, the same 27. Why? Because when the project has come to an end, the latest time for the project to come to an end should be the same with what you've calculated before. Should be the same with this 27. Okay, because after that 27 days, there's no other activity. So it remains the latest finish time. Now, in the next slide or video, we'll consider critical parts. But it's kind of related to this, but we'll talk about that one later. So, since we have this as 27, now using the logic of the previous node together with the what? Activity to give us the next node. However, for the fact that we are going backward pass, for the fact that we are going back, you use what? Subtraction instead of addition. Addition is for the forward pass, meaning for early finish time. For late finish time, we are using what? Subtraction. Okay? So 2 minus 27, that will give us what? 25 here. 25. Okay? Then to this part now, you say what? So we've gotten this one. Now to this part now, you say what? This late finish time minus the activity here, you give it 20. So here will be what? 20. So you now add that one, you say 20. Then, now you know this node, we have two arrows to it, this and this. And since we are going back, you consider what? Minimum or maximum? Minimum or maximum? Since we are going back, you consider minimum. Okay? Now, this 0 minus, this 20 minus 0 will give you what? 20. So let's put it aside. 20. How about this side now? This 25 minus 15 will give us what? 10. So 10 is the lowest, it's the minimum. So we'll put it there, 10. Alright. Now, for this part now, this one minus this will give you what? 7. 7. And finally, 7 minus 7 give you what? 0. So this guy is exactly the same, 0, 0, 0, meaning you are your working or your calculation is what? Correct. Okay, so this is it for the complete finish time and complete earliest finish time and latest finish time. This is how to do it. All right, so thanks for watching and bye for now.